Namaste, I am Monisha and you are watching School Tak News channel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday flagged off India's first hydrogen-powered train between Jain and Sonipat, and inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for development project worth around 40,700 crore rupees in Haryana, making a major of push for green mobility, highway infrastructure, healthcare and regional connectivity. The Prime Minister launched the project at Ikleman Stadium in Jind in the presence of Haryana Chief Minister Naya Singh Saini and Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. India enters the hydrogen rail era. PM Modi flagged off the country's first hydrogen fuel cell power train, making India one of the select group of nations operating hydrogen power rail system. The 10-coach train running on the Jind-Sonipat section of Northern Railways will cover the 90-kilometer route in about 2 hours and represent a significant milestone in India's transition towards clean and sustainable railways transportation. Designed, engineered, and integrated entirely in India using indigenous technology, the train generates its own electricity on board through hydrogen fuel cell technology, producing only water vapor as a byproduct and resulting in zero carbon emission during operation.
Powered by a 3200 HP propulsion system, it is among the most powerful hydrogen-powered train sets currently in operation and one of the longest hydrogen-powered passenger trains developed globally. Unlike diesel trains, the hydrogen-powered train eliminates tailpipe emissions, reduces dependence on fossil fuels and imported diesel, and operate significantly lower noise levels. It also does not require continuous overhead electrification, as electricity is generated on board using hydrogen fuel cells, making it an efficient and environmentally friendly mode of transport. The use of green hydrogen further supports India's transition towards sustainable mobility by reducing reliance on electricity generated from fossil fuel-based thermal power plants. The launch marks another milestone in the evolution of Indian Railways propulsion systems, from coal and steam to electrification and now hydrogen-powered mobility. The government noted that rapid railway electrification over the past 12 years has significantly reduced dependence on imported diesel, paving the way for the next phase of clean transportation. Thank you and keep watching School Tak News channel.